Welcome back to a little more Animal Crossing New Horizons. So, it is still Wednesday here on Turtle Time. We had Sly move out, and I spent a little time earlier in another video doing some villager hunting, and I had said I was probably going to let the spot autofill, but I kind of decided now that I took a little break, had a little something to eat, spent some time with my dogs. I'm feeling a little more human again. I thought let's just buy a few more tickets. See who's out there. Still haven't gone over to my husband's island to pick up the tickets I had given him. But that's still an option. So I'm down to only a little over, I think, 20,000 Nook miles now. It was up over 90,000 just a few days ago. I've been on a little bit of a Nook Miles binge. Okay. Let's see who we've got. Do I want to look for messages in the bottle? Probably. Oh, God. People are going to be so mad if I don't take her. Been getting really good villagers today. Do I take Judy? It's a pleasure to meet you too, Judy. Oh shoot, what do I do, guys? I know she's a dreamy for so many. But I need a jock. Oh, she's so cute. Although thanks to another YouTuber I watch, he always calls her Judy with the big fat booty. And no, she doesn't have a big fat booty. She has an adorable little poofy tail. But that's what I think whenever I see her. I want to pause for a second. I might have her amiibo. So if I have her amiibo, we're going to pass and then just invite her in maybe at a later date. Hold on. Okay, I do have her amiibo. So I'm going to let her go for now, guys. I know she's a dreamy of so many. I can see why. She's absolutely precious. But because I could always have her move in if I wanted to at a later date, I'm not going to get her on this hunt. And what's funny, when I was going through my amiibos, you know how on my earlier hunt, we had Sprinkles show up twice and Diana show up twice. Then there was that wolf. I just saw his name and I've already forgotten it again. I have their amiibos as well. So I don't feel bad about passing on them. Let's find somebody who I can't amiibo in. Oh. She was really pretty, though. If we get her a second time, we'll go ahead and grab her. But otherwise, this video would have only been like 3 minutes long. What's the point in that? Alrighty. Oh, now I'm kind of sleepy after lunch. I finally ate, and now I'm ready for a nap. Trying to figure out what to make for our dinner tonight, and I think I'm going to make Brenner. Do some bacon and scrambled eggs with a little cheese melted in. That sounds yummy and comforting. My husband's having a rough week at work. A lot of guys out sick. Or, well, not necessarily out sick, but out because they've either been exposed to coronavirus or... Hey, you. Hi, Peanut. You're adorable, too. But I don't need another Peppy. Seems like with this new strain, a lot of people are getting the virus or just exposed to it. I almost feel like now it's just a matter of time. But oh, it's from a ring. We're vaccinated, so I'm not too worried. But it just makes for... He works for a plumbing company, and so, you know, he's the manager there, and so trying to schedule and coordinate all these jobs when you've got all your plumbers out either sick or isolated, it's rough. So I think a nice comforting scrambled egg dinner, just what the doctor ordered. With sourdough toast. That's my favorite part. All right. Come on, Orville. Well, I want to fly, preferably to an island with a villager who will just scream, me, me, pick me. Time for takeoff. Wow, I was just looking at my I have a little clock here that also gives the outside temperature. It's 63 degrees outside. It's a beautiful day. I was out in the yard with the dogs a little bit earlier. It's lovely. We need more rain, though. The drought conditions have improved a little bit here in California with the last few rounds of rain, but we need a lot more. Oh, I'm afraid to look. Okay. Oh, she's delightful too. I really want a jock though, because I want to kind of keep it balanced. Hi, June. Aren't you a lovely little thing? I love the normals too. The sisterlies and the normals. I just adore them. Look at her with the little flower in her hair. She's not new, is she? I should make sure. I don't remember who's new. Sorry if I'm turning away from the microphone a little bit because I want to pull up Animal Crossing. Whoa. Final villagers. There's Ace, Rio. We did a house for Rio. Oh, Zoe. She's a cute little anteater. Fret. Faith. Okay, I knew I'd seen one with flower in her hair. That's Faith. Roswell. He was over on our vacation home island the other day. There's Marlo. Azalea. Oh, I didn't know Azalea was new. We did a vacation home for her. Cephalobot. We've done him. Chabwick. Quinn. Petri. Yansheng, Sasha, he's adorable. Man, he's cute. Ione, Chino. Okay, June's not new. I wanted to make sure. The flower in their hair had me wondering. Oh, I was like, well, if you're like a Series 5 amiibo type character or something, maybe I would have. She's very pretty. Oh, maybe that's a hibiscus. That's a hibiscus in her hair, not a plumeria, maybe. Oh yeah, I've got to remember to go to the school and talk to Marlo, our teacher there, and get a couple plumeria starts. I need 2 more for my rock garden. No, not my rock garden, my other little flower garden. I'm getting all my gardens confused. And I use the term garden loosely. I know compared to what other people do, they're just like, yeah, it's a little plot of flowers. Get over yourself. Okay, let's try again. If nothing else, we're meeting a lot of really cute and fun villagers, which I really enjoy. Oh no, the sun is coming in this window and I'm sorry I'm yawning. It's making me all warm and cozy and sleepy. I feel like a cat. I think I need to stretch out in the sun and take a nap. It's great. It's been so overcast and foggy and stuff that it's nice to have some sun breaking through. Okay, Wilbur, thank you. Oh. Yeah, this is a no thank you. Hi, Velma. I actually like Velma. I love her glasses and her little beard. She's cute. Oh, she's always down to dish, darling. I do enjoy that with the snooties. She's cute. I like her. But yeah, I really kind of want to hold out for a jock. I don't want to have to... I don't know, because I really like to have one of each type. So... yeah, I don't have any... Sly was my only jock. I've got 2 lazies. What are the rest? Robin is my snooty. Maple is my normal. Renee is my peppy. Angus is my cranky. Pietro is my smug. Who am I missing? Is that everybody? Oh, Renee is my normal. It's too bad I didn't have a peppy or a normal go. I feel like those are what I'm stumbling upon the most. I'm not ready for Renee to move out yet, though, because we just did her house a few days ago. Although I'm not going to use that as a reason to keep a villager, because then I'd never, I'd run out of houses to do. So. Leaning towards doing Maples soon. Keeping it pretty close to how she has it, but just a little cozier. Oh, we've got, looks like we've got, is that Apollo? I think that's Apollo up there. I think it's him. I'm not gonna go on up. I'm not gonna grab him. I think he is a cranky. Get the message though. Nothing else I'm adding to my DIY collection a little bit. Getting a lot of peach stuff. Oh, I like the peach chair. It's adorable. Nice. I feel like this is more of a DIY hunt than a villager hunt. Alright, I'm going to, while I'm in flight, just grab my phone here, because I just got a text. Need to make sure it's not the husband. Not gonna pause it. But just didn't want to be rude. Have you wondered why I stopped talking for a second? Oops, if I turn the phone back on. Oh, nope. Just spam. Nothing good. You know the drill, Orville. We've been doing this a while now. I can't think of any other jocks besides Dom that I would want. But I also don't know who the other jocks are. Be funny if we ran into Goose and had him again. I liked Goose. Oh. Hi, Clyde. You're cute too, but no thank you. We already have 2 lazies. I can't have 3. That's too many. And is it just me, or is that little voice coming out of a horse kind of funny? Okay, back we go. Oh, I'm sorry. I cannot stop yawning. I'm so rude, and I probably could do it quietly and not let you guys know I'm even doing it. So that's even worse. How many? 4. Okay, got 4 left. And I either get more or autofill. I need a snack while doing this. Yeah, because chewing into a microphone wouldn't be weird or rude at all. If you're like me and you don't like hearing people eat, that would be the worst. Oh, yeah, no thanks. I'm not real big into the lions. I think he's a jock too. Sorry. Oh, I'm the worst. Oh, like what, 3 more? Part of why I didn't go to my husband's island yet to pick up my Nook Miles tickets is I don't know if he has played since I installed the DLC on his account. So I don't know if he's seen, gotten that phone call from Tom Nook and gone to the airport to meet Lottie and all of that. But then I realized, even if he had, I should say, by the time he decides he's ready to play again, he'll probably have forgotten he'd even done that. So, I guess, oh, pardon me, I guess it wouldn't matter then if I did. It's kind of a waste to have all those Nook Mile tickets just sitting there not doing anything. Let's check the beach first. Okay. Oh, a little mousey. Oops, I don't know if I know this mouse, so we'll say hi. Hi, Dora. Sorry we can't see you. Yeah, lots of normals and peppies. She's cute. I don't always like the mice, but she's cute. I'm not doing a full run. I'm kind of lazy. Yeah, after this little stack of tickets, I think I am going to go grab his Switch. Fly on over. Ooh, and then when I fly back, I'd get a little good flyover of my island. Unless I find the villager I want in the next couple of tickets. I should take some flowers over there and for him to have. I have more than I need. I'll do that later on. I should just take over his island. Nah. Hey, it's a lot of paperwork if they're just gonna burn the flight plans. I'm getting my late in the day off. I get this with my allergies. I'm usually stuffy in the morning, and then I can breathe, but I'm coughing in the afternoons. Oh, a zebra. I don't know this zebra. Oh no, my speaker's turned off again. That's twice now. Come on. There we go. Hi, Savannah. I did. Just lots of normals today. She's very pretty. Oh, she is tempting. I love her look and her stripes, but I really want a jock. Because I still have reactions to get, I think, and different recipes. You know, certain personalities do certain DIY recipes and all that, so that's why I like to keep a balance. So until I kind of have everything, I need to have a good variety, I think. Maybe I'm just being too practical about it. Do I have 2 tickets left? 1 ticket left. Oh gosh. Hey. Make it a good one, Orville. I forgot about that thing. I don't know if it was really true or not, where you applaud for him until he blushes, and then supposedly you get sent to a more special island or something. I used to test that out to see if I'd get sent to like the Bamboo Island or a Tarantula Island or whatever. I don't know. It never seemed like it was that reliable, but it was fun to do. Oh yeah, I forgot I could have been shaking trees too for items to fall out. Let's check the beach first. Okay, let's check the other side. Let's see the campfire. Oh, okay. Hello. Cyrano. Aww. Okay, at least he's not a jock. Okay, I am going to pause this recording. I'm going to head back to the airport. I'm going to go open up my husband's Switch and take back my Nook Miles tickets. So, I will be right back. Okay. I grabbed 30 tickets out of his storage, leaving the rest for him. Let's fly. His island, he had an island called Hangry, and then he let me delete it and create a second island because I wasn't ready to delete my original island, and he wasn't playing. Oh, let me turn the volume down on his Switch. And, it was sweet. He let me do it. I was really kind of depressed for a while after our cat passed away and stuff, so it was something just to get my mind off of real life. And then I kind of just didn't have the motivation to work on that island. And then when we heard about the new 2.0 and the DLC and all of that, I decided that's when it was time to get back into playing on my own original, which then I ended up deleting. And so he deleted the island I had created, and he created a second island for himself, and instead of Hangry, he decided to go with Hangrier. But now he's not playing it. So yeah, I just grabbed 30 tickets. I left a few in his storage for him. But this way too, like I said, we can see the flyover of my island. I haven't seen it in a while. It's probably not all that impressive. Some people's are absolutely gorgeous. You can just see all of the work and effort they put into it. All right, let's just head back quickly. I could say we could run around his island, but there is nothing to see. And he's even, I ran past him in the airport. Oh no, yeah. The last time he played was like Halloween. So he's still blue. I don't think he even has a mirror for changing his looks. I love his little character though, those eyes. It's so funny. All right, we got a fresh pile of tickets. Let's find ourselves a villager. I still think it would be kind of fun to just work on his island a little bit here and there while he's not playing it. And then even see if he notices when he does come back. Like, huh, I don't remember I was at 3 stars. When did I start terraforming? Oh yeah, I'm not looking at the flyover. It's all right, that's kind of cute. I don't know about those gold roses and that stone there. I really need to do a little bit more around there. So it's okay. It's not great, but it's all right. It gives a little hint about what my island is about. And my island, it really isn't about much. Just kind of normal. Maybe it's more like a little village. I have no core. I just have some little places I've done a little bit. Okay, so I grabbed the tickets, right? We've got 30. We're ready to go. I need to change her outfit. I'm getting a little tired of looking at it. Although it kind of resembles real life where I just sort of wear the same thing for like 2 or 3 days in a row before washing it. Nah, never more than 2. Come on, Orville. Dom, I want Dom. You better be typing like Dom repeatedly. Oh, I should exit his game. Let's do that. Save it. Yep, save and exit. Oh. Thank you, Wilbur. Oh, is it a frog? Oh, it's Cousteau. Wee, I think. Hey there, awesome to meet you too. My name's Cousteau. What about you? Where are you from? Oxy, hey, and you're from Turtle Time. Cool name, from a strong sounding place. No? Okay, it's so much fun out here. Wee. Sorry, Cousteau, I don't need another, lazy. I would have considered it if he were a jock, just because of the wee. I'm only half-assed looking for the message in the bottle now. I'm really getting lazy the more of these I do. Bell-bottom Bangra? What is that? These would be a little more fun to do if there wasn't so much saving of the game and the loading screens. I mean, I get why they have to do it. Oh, let's finish and close down his game. I also have Stardew Valley on his Switch. I forgot that. Still haven't been able to get him to play it. But his Switch is hooked up to the TV in our living room, so every once in a while I like to get on it and play. Yeah, I have quite a few Stardew Valley save files. Yeah, I think tomorrow Yeah, it's still on Wednesday. This is the third video I'm recording today for Animal Crossing. I think I'm going to space these videos out over the next few days rather than upload them all at once. So that way, maybe tomorrow, I will have time to do a little Stardew Valley. Maybe some Witchwood, but maybe tomorrow will be Stardew Valley. And then Friday I could do some more Witchwood. I need to get back to decorating on Happy Home Paradise, but that'll be there when I'm ready. Come on, Dom. Bring me Dom. I want the Dom. He's just the cutest little shep there ever was. That's not Dom. He's cute though. Like a little hippo. Oh, let's say hi. I'm not sure which one she is. Bubbles. Oh my god, that's adorable. But I don't want another pop star. Hi, Bubbles. I'm meeting a lot of villagers for the first time, and they are very cute. I mean, even when I say I'm not a fan of frogs or mice that much, they're still cute. They're all cute. I'm ready. Wilbur, let's get out of here. Let's pack snacks and make tracks. Oh my god, my speakers just turned off again. This is getting really annoying. I don't know why. Unless it just thinks I'm inactive. How rude. Time for takeoff. Let's get my speakers back on. Oh, I turned them on and then off. That's great. Oh, I did it again. Okay, there we go. Oops. Yeah, these are Logitech speakers, and this little wireless controller thing is really ticking me off. I'm gonna have to send off a little email or something to them. Let them know I'm not pleased, or see if maybe there's just a problem with mine that it's doing it. I put fresh batteries in. Oh, isn't she a fancy little mouse? All right, well, we're going to speed this along and not go talk to everybody. Otherwise, we'll be here for hours. But it is nice. Between doing this and the Happy Home Paradise DLC, I'm meeting a lot of villagers I've never met before. That's a great thing about the DLC, too, is I don't think there's a limit on how many homes you can do, because you can have multiple people living at each spot. So it's really a great way to have some new friends in-game. You know, if you don't have room on your island for all of the villagers you would want, you can do vacation homes. Did any of you play the Happy Home Planning? Was that the name of it, the previous version? Is it really similar to how the Happy Home Paradise works? If you did, be curious to know about that. Yeah, I never even had heard of Animal Crossing before New Horizons. I didn't play on a lot of different platforms. I was mostly playing, really, I mostly just... Oh, look, it's our third time getting this island. I was mostly just spent the last, what, 17 years? Oh, hello. Oh, my. Okay, goodbye. In World of Warcraft. With a few other MMOs here and there, like Latro and Star Wars The Old Republic, and I don't know what else. So I wasn't really aware of any of the... Because I even had a Wii, though, but I used that mostly for, like, the exercise-type videos. So obviously I didn't use it much. So I never really looked at what else was available for that. And my husband wasn't really interested. I kept wanting to get games that like maybe we could play together. Like when we had a PlayStation, I think we did Baldur's Gate. That was the first time I kind of played that or something like that. And we played that together and it was a lot of fun. But then we just sort of gravitated, kept going back to World of Warcraft. And even then, we just started soloing and doing our own thing in game more than grouping up together. Yeah, had I known about all these Animal Crossing games, you can betcha I would have had every platform I could have that they came out on. GameCube, Wii, well I have the Wii, DS, 3DS. I wouldn't mind seeing them do a version, like converting, like maybe New Leaf or whatever, for the Switch. Whether they do it through the online thing like they've done with some of the older games or what, I think it would be kind of fun. Okay, another mouse. But are you a jock? Because I'm starting to get tired. I hope he's not a jock, because I really don't want a mouse. Shoot, he's a jock. I can't do it, guys. I know I said I wanted a jock, but I just can't do it. I'm not a fan of the mice. I shouldn't have talked to him, because now I feel bad. I've been saying I want a jock. I finally get a jock. But it was a mouse. I didn't have these extra tickets burning in a hole in my pocket. I would have taken them. Okay, guys, let's try again. Oh, don't be coy. You know where I want to go, Orville. Come on. You know the drill. Ooh, sorry, I got kind of quiet there. Oh, Bamboo Island. Okay, at least he's not a jock. Hi, Leopold. You're kind of cute for one of the lions. I don't know what it is. Just certain villager types, I'm just like, eh. Camo frog. Jail bars. I don't know that yet. Nice. Of course, now there's so many tall items we can craft or purchase in the game that we don't need the jail bars as much, but they are fun in some designs. All right. Oh, I kind of want to chop some of this bamboo, but I have some. And there's no spring bamboo yet, so. I should remember to hit my bamboo trees every day. I only really have 3 I can get easily. The rest I kind of have tucked in amongst stuff, so there's not room for the logs to fall. All right. Let's go again. Let's use that Nook Miles ticket again, please. This is the kind of video, too, where I'm thinking I really should start doing live streams, because this is more fun if I could chat with you guys while I'm doing it. Otherwise, I'm kind of starting to... My eyes are getting a little glassy, getting a little dazed. Thinking, wow, that nap sounds good. I don't usually nap, though. Sometimes on the weekends I do, because if my husband's home, he always loves to take a nap, usually in the living room in front of the TV. So then I come and hang out back here on my computer. Which wolf is this? Or I go lie down in our room and read for a while. So then, I'm sorry, if I lie down in the middle of the day to read and you know I'm napping. Hey, Chief. You're cute too. I like Chief. I like his little shirt with the sweater. He's cute, tempting, but I really want a non-mouse jock. At least I'm not getting any duplicates this time, like I was earlier. It's like I had a very limited number of tickets, so to get 2 duplicates was a little bit rude. All right. Well, gee, Orville, I want to fly. I do have a Nook Mouse stick on me. Let's use it. Thank you. Already. Oh, I'm gonna have to go get another glass of water. I'm almost out of this one. Trying to decide how many more I want to do before I just call it. Few more. Do a few more. Not a lot. It's not like I really had anything else going on. Oh, it's, Hi, Bruce. Didn't I do a vacation home for him? Too bad he's not a jock. He's cute. I was hopeful for half a second. Let's see who we get this time. Uh-oh, my dogs are waking up. I jinxed it with my thoughts. I was just thinking, wow, they've been really good. They've been napping for about an hour. They always around 3:30 in the afternoon start to get a little restless. It's an hour before dinner, but they start thinking maybe if we get up and start prancing around the house, she'll feed us early. I don't. Hey, who do we think it'll be this time? I'm gonna guess another normal. Normal or Peppy. We're getting quite a few crankies, though. Very few jocks. All right, which bird is this? Oh my. He's cute. I know we just got Pietro. If he was a jock, I was maybe gonna do it. I love his little mask. Is that like a wrestling mask? Cute. Ready to go home. Hey, Dutchie. I think that's Duchess who's up. When I paused this to go get my husband's Switch in that room, I asked them if they wanted to go out. Didn't even, oh, now she's gonna whine. Wouldn't even open their eyes to look at me. All right, I've got to pause it. I'm sorry, she's whining, so she's really got to go. All right. Let's try again. I know there's a jock out there with our name on it, just waiting for us. I'm out of breath just from going outside. That's so sad. I was hurrying. Ooh, excuse me. I'm being so rude. Probably putting you guys to sleep too. It's just so warm and cozy in here right now. Hey. Come on. Good job. Oh, it's Phoebe. Oh, she was my very first villager on my original island. Oh, that's tempting. I would love to see her in her real house, but you know what? We have a vacation house for her. So yeah, we can always visit Phoebe whenever we want to over on the archipelago. I liked her. Okay. How many tickets do I have left? 20. So we've gone through 10. Let's just do a few more. Maybe 5-ish. And if not, then we'll autofill. I know I'm probably being overly picky. I can't believe I passed up Judy. Dreamy for so many. I just don't need her right now. I need a jock. I don't know if I have any jock amiibos. Too late now anyway because of the whole 3-day thing. I guess if I ever wanted to amiibo somebody in when somebody asks to leave. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, is that Portia or somebody else? I can't remember her name for sure. She's cute, but not what we're looking for. See, I guess if they asked to move out, if you invited a camper in with an amiibo on that day, then you have them for the second visit when your villager's in boxes, and then you invite them for a third time when the house is empty. That would work out, I guess. I'll have to remember that for next time. Still like doing these the island tours, though. Let's just do a couple more. Oh, just surprise me, Orville. We'll use this Nook Mile ticket and just go wherever you guys plan. Wonder whose suitcase that is behind his counter. Lost luggage? Thank you, Wilbur. Yet again, for landing us safely. Aw. Okay, I don't know who this is. Vladimir, huh? I remember watching a YouTuber not too long ago, burning through all kinds of Nook Mile tickets, hoping to find Vladimir. Oh, I wish you were a jock. Oh, he's tempting. Pink cranky bear named Vladimir? What's not to love? But sorry, bud. Really need a jock because I'm a glutton for punishment. Okay, I'm thinking like maybe 2 more tickets. Dang, we're getting some really good ones. There go my speakers again. It is also tired of the villager hunt. But I'm not really tired of it, though. It's just, this gets a little frustrating. Like, oh, come on, give me my villager. Wouldn't it be funny if I just stopped looking and it auto-filled with Dom or some really cool jock? It's not. It's totally gonna fill with like somebody I've already seen and not picked up. Go. Flap the little wings. There you go, little dodo. Okay, Wilbur. I haven't caught a single bee or chopped a single tree. Oh, look at all the good villagers I'm getting. I have his amiibo, so I don't feel bad passing up Lucky. Oh, we need to amiibo him in to... I took such a deep breath on that. I like choked on air. We need to amiibo him into the archipelago and do a vacation home for him. I forgot I have his amiibo. Oh, that's something we'll be doing soon. Yep, ready. Oh, wow, we've gotten Judy, Vladimir, Lucky, and a whole bunch of other really cute, good villagers. But you could almost say I'm unlucky because none of them are what I'm looking for right now. Okay, let's do... I'm thinking just 2 more, this and 1 more. Okay, I'm limiting it. Yep, just 2. Maybe I'll do a little more later off camera tonight. And if I find who I'm looking for, it'll be a nice surprise on my next video. I was tempted to do that with Judy and just like invite her and not record it. And then I thought, oh. Or I mean, I know I had already started recording that one, but I thought, well, I could delete this video, not even share it, invite her to my island and then be like, surprise, look who it is. But I didn't want to. She's not what I'm looking for right now. Getting this island a lot. Oh, yep, we're getting repeats now. Bye, bud. I've already forgotten his name. Oh no, it wasn't Fang, was it? I can't remember now who that was. Man, I'm bad. Yep, I'm positive, Wilbur. We're gonna do 1 more. And that is it. I'm pushing it. Besides, it's almost time to get back to the real world, get ready to feed all of my animals, including the husband. Ooh, I've got to do meal planning and grocery shopping. Or, yeah, I do our grocery order online. So I need to do all that tonight, too, still. Yeesh. I forgot I was going to be looking up some healthier recipes. Try some new stuff out. Okay, let's make it a good one. It's the last one for now. Maybe for the evening. I should just set my clock back to normal time and then I'd have no choice but to let it autofill. Not gonna. I feel like we're getting peach trees more than cherry trees, too. Oh, she's pretty. You know, I think I have her amiibo as well. Oh, she's precious. Oh, she's adorable. All right, I'm going back on my word. We're doing 1 more. How many do I have? Okay, yeah, 15. Well, that's a good, nice number, but we're going to do 1 more. I'm feeling lucky. Come on, Dodo Airlines. Take me to a jock. I'd love it to be Dom, but if not, somebody cute. Well, actually, not even cute. Just, you know, somebody unique. Unique is maybe a little troublesome, but you know what I mean. Last one. I promise. I promise this is the last one. Okay. What's it gonna be? Scared. All right, Wilbur. Will do. Okay. Oh, we already had him. He's not a jock. All right. Well, probably gonna let it autofill. Maybe I'll do a little bit more of this off camera later. Probably passed up some I shouldn't have. But we'll go ahead. We'll get somebody. We'll see who Tom Nook gives us most likely. Anyway, thanks again for coming along on this little journey with me. Take care.